Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Charge your Realme and back up essential data. This prevents loss if something goes wrong. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and disable any VPN or proxy so the update downloads smoothly. Now open Settings, then About Phone or Software Update depending on your model. This is where Realme shows available builds. Tap Check for updates and let the phone fetch the latest package. Don't interrupt this initial check or switch networks while it runs. Once the update is listed, tap Download and watch the progress. Realme first saves the package to storage and then verifies integrity to avoid corrupt installs. Make sure you have the recommended free space. Updates can require 2 to 4 GB, so clear apps or media if needed. If verification fails, the phone will prompt to retry. Do so rather than forcing installation. While downloading and verifying, avoid rebooting or toggling airplane mode to prevent package corruption or a failed After verification, tap Install. Your Realme will reboot into recovery and apply the update. You should let it run uninterrupted. This can take several minutes as the system migrates apps and settings. Once finished, the device boots normally and may optimize apps on first start. Sign in if requested. If something goes wrong and the phone won't boot, try booting into safe mode or recovery to wipe cache. As a last resort, perform a factory reset only after you've backed up your data again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.